Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I am Sandy. I wanted to invite you to check out my Patreon membership. I have 3 different tiers plus an international tier. I have digitals over there. I send out Happy Mail. We're going to go over Happy Mail for March in just a second, but I invite you to join me. So I wanted to share with you, this is my March Patreon. There are still spots available. This is for the bluegrass tier on my Patreon page. You also will receive digitals that are already out there on my membership site. And I still have spots available. I also have an international tier as well that receives this Happy Meal. So let me show you what is going to be shipped out in this month's Happy Meal. March is St. Patrick's Day. So in this little corner over here, I have a little nod to St. Patrick's Day. So each patron will get a vintage St. Patrick's Day card. Each one will be different. So this is just one example. And they're all really cute. You'll also get a cute little clover button. So it's a little felt button. So cute. You'll get a sheet of this really pretty shamrock paper. It's double-sided. And then you'll also get an embossed kind of color paper that you can make a tag out of. You can collage with these things, make cute little tags or clusters. So lots of different options. You'll also get a little bit of this bling, and you can either use it with the St. Patrick's Day or you can use it with the embossed envelopes. So I'll work up this way. So that's kind of the nod to St. Patrick's Day there. And then up here, I don't know if the video is up yet, but I have a video on these clusters. So each patron will get one of these clusters made by me. You'll have some lace, new and used lace. You'll have some beads and some different jewelry charms in there. So each one will be a little bit different. And here's just a few of them so you can kind of get a flavor for the different styles. And so those are spine dangles. You'll also get one of these fun little paper clips, and these have some little beads just kind of clipped on them with a little lobster claw. So you'll get one of those. Now I made those as well. You also will get a specimen card, and I did a video a while back. So each one will be different, but here's a couple examples here of specimen cards. And then you'll also get a blank specimen card, the pieces for it, so you can kind of make and decorate your own. And then you'll also get a postage stamp that I have made. So you'll get one of these. Each one will be different. So you'll either get one of these here. And then we'll move down this way. So you will get a rose wax seal. So again, they'll, all be different. And these are just a couple examples here. And then you'll get either a craft envelope or you'll get a white envelope, and I did a video on these as well. So I embossed and inked them, and then I sewed on this cute little pocket here and then decorated the pocket up and then put a little tag in that pocket. And so if you wanted to add a little bling on here, you could add a little bling. So you can decorate the pocket up more. And then here's the white one, same. And I did, some have a saged bundle and some have a vintage photo. And again, sewed and a little tag in the pocket. You'll also get these really fun hydrangea playing cards. So it'll be all different, you know, the number or the suit will be different, but you'll get those. And then you get this really cute bridge score sheet to go along with your playing cards. Okay, so I've covered everything there. And then moving over here, so you'll get this fun little, this is a little postcard right here, and also it's uncolored, so you can color this one if you want to, and each one of these will be different. You'll also get this really pretty hydrangea napkin, and you can, you know, peel off the, I think it's a 2-ply, it could be a 3-ply, and you can do collaging with this. So many different fun things you can do with your napkins, and I thought it went well with the theme of with my playing cards. You'll also get one of these. It's a Monet card, blank card inside. So you'll get one of these along with an envelope, and these are so pretty. And then you'll get one of these. I did a haul video from Hobby Lobby, and these stickers are real, they peel off really easy, and they're a nice matte finish. Anyway, you'll get one of those. You will, and then I'm going to move up into this corner, and so since Easter is April 9th, I wanted to include a little nod to Easter. So you'll get one of these sweet little die cuts. These are from, I think it's called My Pretty Little Studios, I think is what it's called. So you'll get one of those. You'll get this darling little egg napkin. Again, so much fun to collage with it or layer with it. Lots of different options. And then I have this cute little bunny die cut that you can add onto a tag. I mean, just so cute, you know, what you can do with that, and I made that. You'll also get a Tim Holtz wallpaper sheet, and they are about, I think, 8 by 5, and they're just such a lovely texture. But you'll get, each one's different, so you might get this one, you might get a different one. And then you'll get this fun little, you'll get 12 inches of this fun little bunny ribbon. And then you'll get one of these darling little, these Easter cut-aparts here. So they're so sweet, so cute. So you'll get one of those. You'll also get a page from the Edith Holden book. So you'll get one of these really pretty pages that you can make into tags, make into envelopes, all kinds, lots of options there. And then you'll get, so this book I picked up in Ireland, and it's in Gaelic, and so you'll get a sheet of this. It's really old, either early 1800s or late 1800s, early 1900s. So you'll get one of these in the Gaelic language, and it's just so cute. So that's also fun to do collaging with and making clusters. And then you'll get a five-piece little kind of junk journaling kit with a label, this cute little cluster sticker, a vintage Monopoly card, a doily, and then a little index card. So things that you can incorporate with all the other things that you received. So I think that is everything that'll be in this March Happy Mail. So this is for the Bluegrass tier, and there's details down below in the description box below. I still have spaces available. I also have an international tier as well. So if you're international and are interested in signing up, there's that option. And I just want to thank you all so much for watching. And I absolutely love this collection. I hope you do too. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.